often that I get to bring you along with me in the middle of a project where it's kind of at a stopping point where I can take a breather and come out and really like process a video for you guys. But this project, we are at that point, and I'm so excited to be able to show you where we are and kind of what it looks like, because I think a lot of times people don't know what goes first in a project and kind of what the whole process looks like. This backyard actually used to have a pool in it. Right behind me, right outside that screen porch, there was a nice big swimming pool, and the homeowner was ready to give it up. As many people are building new pools, there's lots of people who are giving their pools up as well. So Foxcrete is a local concrete company. They filled in their pool for them, removed the old pool, put down red dirt, and had to wait a little while for that to settle out before they could pour the new concrete. Now they've gone through the process of pouring concrete, and it looks a little funny because this path that I'm standing on, Nate will show you some shots going the other way, but right now it's a path that leads this direction and it looks like it's leading nowhere, but we have something planned for the terminus of this walkway that's coming up. And you'll see behind me there's a nice large patio that the homeowner gets to utilize. They added a new shed on this side, so we've got all these walkways that connect together throughout the entire space. They can conveniently push wheelbarrows, get their tools out, and not be in the yard or muddy, tracking dirt and everything throughout the job site. So I want to give you a little bit of detail about this concrete. Of course, I'm not a concrete expert, and Foxcrete's not here today, so I don't want to speak for them, but I did want to show you that this is a dyed, stamped, and stained concrete. And you can see it's a two-tone gray. The main part of the field is a lighter gray color, and then not the expansion joints, but there's strips along the way that are a little darker gray. I think a lot of times when people think of stamped concrete, they think of a brick stamp or something that's really busy, but this concrete is actually stamped with kind of a seamless stamp, and it makes it look like stone, which is a really nice look. It's something a little different than a broom finished concrete. And then of course they came back and they sealed the concrete, which is hugely important when it comes to maintaining a dyed or stained concrete surface. It'll protect this concrete from that color coming off, and it also gives it a seal so that the rain doesn't affect it and pit it the way that it would on a typical broom finished concrete. So it's a really beautiful concrete install. They did an amazing job, and I think it's going to last this homeowner for years and years and years to come, until maybe they decide they want to put a pool back in. I don't know if that'll ever happen. But if you guys have any questions about concrete, I'm going to hook it up with Foxcrete. So if you have any questions, they will answer them below, because it's not my field, but I did design it and they did a beautiful job. So I want to make sure that all of your questions are answered.